Hello, my name is Elena Stubea and I'm going to present our paper entitled Airbnb Sharing Platform During Pandemic Times. Is it really the winner? Temporary tourism is driven to some extent by technology. If until not long ago people were not so interested in finding out about the place they are going to visit, nowadays it has become a trend for the tourists to study in detail the future destination. This is also possible due to new technologies that have contributed enormously to the development in this direction of tourism. There are numerous platforms that offer tourists a variety of offers increasingly original and adapted to consumer needs. Through the internet, you can find a lot of information about the places to be visited. Thus, tourists can exchange opinions through online platforms. They can post various real-time videos from that location. The question is whether in a collaborative economy, tourists are really offered authentic and memorable experiences to a greater extent than in a traditional economy. The paper is a theoretical one meant to answer the question posed in the title itself. Is Airbnb really the winner? In this regard, we have launched several hypotheses that we have debated in the article. The data used in this analysis was retrieved from the database of Statista. It contains information on nights and experiences booked, gross booking value, revenue worldwide, total assets worldwide of all listings for the timeframe of 2016-2020. However, the dataset has its limitation. Data for 2020 only include first 9 months. Therefore, the available data does not allow a precise analysis of rentals and revenues from the outbreak of the COVID-19 pandemic to the present. Rather, only a trend can be traced in the early phase of the pandemic. As the first step of the analysis, a year-to-year comparison of bookings was made to understand the dynamics of Airbnb main indicators. In the next phase of research, in order to gain a more detailed understanding of the impact that the COVID-19 pandemic has had on Airbnb bookings, we analyzed tourist perception of the measures to improve customers' comfort levels in hotels after the coronavirus pandemic. Nowadays, tourists prefer to try experiences they have not experienced before, which will give them uniqueness. Thus, they started to book their accommodation in a less traditional way through online platforms and not from traditional travel agencies. Airbnb is an online platform through which people can rent their properties as tourist accommodation without having the standard facilities of a hotel. The Airbnb platform has developed very quickly, even if tourists can only trust the description of the owners and the possible opinions posted by other guests regarding the quality of their stay. The alternative accommodation market is determined by the overcrowding of traditional accommodation, but especially by the idea of having a unique experience. When analyzing growth rates, it is important to recognize the base value. Airbnb is a relatively new presence in many markets, and growth rates are often proportional to untapped potential. In other words, Airbnb has more room to thrive in most markets, while hotels have carved out an established presence over the decades. In Table 1, we presented the evolution of some main indicators of Airbnb activity in the period 2017-2020. Of course, the negative impact of COVID-19 on Airbnb's performance in 2020 is considerable, but even in this condition, the values for 2020 are close to those reported only a few years ago, which shows either the extraordinary expansion of this operator in previous years or that the flexibility of online trading and the customer preferences for this type of short-term letting respectively have avoided an even sharper decline. Indeed, international tourism hit by an unprecedented shock challenges and an existential threat to the tourism sector. due to the COVID-19 pandemic has recording a huge fall in 2020. International tourist arrivals decreased by 74% compared to 2019. With the growing popularity of its person-to-person rental model, Airbnb has become a top competitor in the hospitality industry. Airbnb's annual sales surpassed those of the Hilton hotel chain in 2018 based on data from US travelers excluding business travel. The figure illustrates Airbnb's growth compared to the largest hotel chains. All values represent multiples of Airbnb's 2013 US sales amount, which is indexed as 1. Airbnb sales include both short-term rental and experiences sold as services, which were introduced in 2016 on the Airbnb platform. The advantages of choosing Airbnb are being close to local culture, having good value for money, being in a good, quiet location, the feeling of being home, getting social engaged, and being friendly with new people. After several years of home-sharing systems putting pressure on hotel rates and occupancy levels, while the entrants such as Airbnb effectively disrupting the hotel industry, the COVID-19 crisis has probably temporarily helped the situation and created a new question. Is this system, and especially its leader Airbnb, an acceptable alternative for tourism and travel in the new realities? Or in suggestive terms, has COVID-19 disrupted the disruptor? There are several elements according to which we can appreciate these new competitive realities: booking condition, cleanliness, privacy. Some opinions support the short-term advantages of traditional accommodations as hotel due to more permissive reservation and cancellation system, more generous refund policies, grace periods which are not as accessible to home sharing system marked by a sharp variability of rental housing circumstances. Hotel companies also come up with new standards and cleaning technologies inspired by those of disease control and prevention systems. Thus, independent branded or well-managed hotels can have a convincing advantage over home sharing, as hotels will use professional or industrial cleaning products, have well-trained staff, budgets, and control systems to do so. For a long time, Airbnb was considered the disruptor of the international hotel industry. COVID-19 has now disrupted the disruptor through two trends that will affect the future of Airbnb and similar platforms. The proportion of investor-hosted listing will drop and trading of space on Airbnb and similar platforms will not recover to its pre-COVID-19 levels. Their assumptions are based on two premises. The first premise is that coronavirus is an economic super shock. Although economic shocks are common in the economy and tourism regularly faces them, the shock induced by COVID-19 is different. The steady decline in travel is global. The declines are more dramatic and more pronounced, driving or announcing structural changes in many sectors of the economy. Therefore, the possibility of tourism as an economic sector to recognize and recover on relatively the same premises is seriously compromised, and even less the return to the situation of a real lifestyle of touristic operators. The other premise would come from the change in the behavior of the providers of this type of services, diminishing their flexibility and motivation to be on these platforms. Other authors see that the Airbnb strategy as a medium-term winner. Comforted like other operators in the tourism industry with the COVID-19 crisis, Airbnb management reacted quickly, and although it cannot be said that in 2020 the business has fully solved the problem of collapse of reservation, it is estimated that Airbnb was weathered the pandemic relatively well compared to the other major travel operators, whether hotel chains or online marketplaces. The sharing economy, primarily understood as an opportunity to transform the way a business operates, substantiated the concept that collaborative consumption and/or collaborative production generates efficiency. Common perceptions, but also theoretical and applied research, have rapidly emphasized a number of benefits apparently undeniable, as well as the remarkable expansion of the sharing economy in various economic sectors, from passenger transport and tourist accommodation, various household services, fashion, and deliveries. However, if the forecast at the end of 2019 seems more than favorable for these activities, the global pandemic crisis hit hard in most of these sectors. Thus, specific reactions, corrective measures, and search for flexibility were a fertile topic of analysis at the industry level, supporters, or academia. In this paper, we analyze the reason and particularities of the initial choices and preferences to home sharing from the perspective of tourism consumers and how the main operators in this field, namely Airbnb, met to these requirements. We found that the Airbnb online platform is set up in such a way that it places a strong emphasis on users' feedback and encourages users to comment and rate accommodation. In fact, more and more tourists are sharing their reactions on specialized websites or social media about the place they booked or their experience. We also focused on the effects of the pandemic crisis and measures to fight against these consequences. For a better understanding, we performed a comparative analysis between the accommodation considered as classic now, such as hotels and home sharing, respectively, as well as several opinions on the prospects and possible transformation of home sharing during and post-COVID-19 crisis. Tourists are entitled to have more confidence in the qualified cleaning services and preventive measures against COVID-19 offered by major hotel chains. However, Airbnb reacted promptly in the context of the COVID-19 pandemic by requiring their host community to wear masks and socially distance when interacting with guests and commit to a 5-step enhanced cleaning protocol. We believe that in order to face the challenges of the COVID-19 pandemic, the Airbnb system should adjust its rental policy to provide consumers with safety, especially from a healthy point of view. It is understandable that some people consider traditional accommodation to be safer from a sanitary point of view, with many protocols and high standards of hygiene. However, from our point of view, Airbnb could expand its customer base, especially as it offers more flexible services than traditional accommodation and can offer accommodation in remote places where contact with other people is limited or even not existing. Will this new business model withstand the shock of the global pandemic and others that will follow? The answer to the question will probably be revealed by new research and new data in the next future. Thank you.